Hi everyone, it's James. You're looking at a package from Amazon, Japan. I ordered iPhone lightning cables. I'll show you exactly what I ordered. Okay, I ordered a set of 3 iPhone lightning cables. It cost 799 yen, which is about $7.56 US. 11 XS Max, XS XR, X876, 6S iPad, iPod. I have an iPhone 8. And here's the name of the company, Heresy. There's 1 meter, 2 meters, and 3 meters. It says woven nylon, TPE, tin-plated copper core. Sounds good to me. What's this? Bend lifespan, 4,000 plus lifespan, 8,000 plus. For iPhone, 100%. It looks good. Let's try it out. Let's open it. Here they are. Yep, these are nylon. 1, 2, 3. This one appears short. This must be the 1 meter one. Okay, let's test it out. This is my iPhone 8. I'm already at 100%. Okay, I'm just going to plug it in. I'm at 100%. And I can just tell you that it works. Which one is 2 meters? I think this is 2 meters, and this one is 3 meters. And that's quite long. Should I test them out? Yeah, I will. This is the 2 meter one. It's long. Okay, I'm going to have to change rooms. Plugging it in. It works. It's long, so that is the 2 meter one. Two meters, the 3 meter one. Removing the 2 meter one. and plugging in the 3-meter one. This is the 3-meter one. And that's it for this video, guys. And they work, and that's the most important thing. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.